Hey, Pat here with Pat's Ride. Let's get your mind out of the gutter. The Weenie with the Wiggle is referring to Obetty's Redhots in Athens, Ohio. We're taking a day trip to go down here for lunch, so stick around, stay tuned, and we'll see what we can get into. Now we're on State Route 83 heading south towards Coshocton right now. This section of road has a few good curves to it, some nice scenery. On State Route 16 now, just left Coshocton. Haven't been on this road in a long time. Got a power plant right up here ahead of us. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe you can see the steam now. Still on 16, but it turns into a little bit of a 4-lane here, but I don't know if you can see it on camera, but right up there is a parasailer, and then there's a whole couple more, at least that I can see down that way. I really doubt it will show up on the GoPro, but it's a beautiful day for it. Clear, no major wind. Man, I bet they got a great view. Just to the left of the cell tower, if you can see it. There's probably a slightly better view. He's pretty low, and then he got his buddy up there. Be a good day for that, like I just said. Be a lot of fun. Nice mural. In Fraserburg, Ohio. Right now I'm letting the GPS guide me, and I have no idea what road I'm on. Just left Fraserburg, and it told me to come down this road to State Route 146, which I do know quite well. Oh, a little bit more adventure here. I have no idea. It's kind of cool. Well, that little road brought me out to 586 here, which I've traveled several times, just about to get into Zanesville. I think we're going to get back on 60 down to McConnellsville and end up on 377, a road I like a whole lot. Alright, we're back on 60, Muskingum River. Look how brown, you can tell we've had a ton of rain. We're going to go up here to McConnellsville and make a right on 78 for a couple of miles, and then make a left on 377. That will take us to 550, which will take us into Athens, Ohio. We're in McConnellsville now, and oh my God, that's new. Anyway, we're going to go back across the Muskingum River here. get up here in just a minute and change my battery. We're getting kind of low, but we're on our way to State Route 377. Okay, battery's changed and we're off. In Athens now and almost at Obetty's. Now the next tricky part's parking. You do have to feed the meters here on every day but Sunday, I believe it is. Oh, and the roads are closed. Well, that's nice. So what's going on today? Well, here's a parking spot. Guess we'll park here.
This first shot is from the outside of the building. You can see it looks like it's been kind of just sandwiched between existing buildings, like, hey, I know what to do here. Going inside the building, they have their burlesque museum going. They don't have all their pictures up yet. They also have a hot dog museum that needs to go back in. They had to take some decorations down due to some leaks in the roof. I didn't film inside because of the people. And the last picture here is the hot dogs. Aren't they just incredible looking? Alright, time to go home.
Well, almost home for the day, so I think I'm going to call it here for the video. Really didn't film much coming home. Just over 300 miles on the bike today. Getting to be 90 degrees. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe if you haven't. I'd appreciate it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.